Hello children. Today we will study English grammar. Chapter number 6. Countable and uncountable naming words. So now I will show you a few things and then I'm going to ask you some questions. Okay? So let's get started. Children, just look over here. What is this, children? It's a mango. Okay? Now children, can you count and tell me how many mangoes are there with me? Come on, count with me. 1, 2. So there are 2 mangoes. Then over here, can you see what is this, children? It's a key. Can you count and tell me how many keys are there with me? See, 1, 2, 3. There are 3 keys. Then over here, I have got flowers. See, can you count the number of flowers? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many flowers are there? There are 4 flowers. Then children, what is this? It's a chili. So can you count and tell me the number of chilies? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 chilies. Okay children, so all these things just now we counted them, isn't it? So they are called as countable naming words. Okay children, see, just now we counted them, no? So all the naming words that can be counted are countable naming words. Okay, now this side children, I have got salt, sugar, milk and water. So can you count sugar, salt, milk or water? Can you count the number of it? No, we cannot count them. That is why children, they are uncountable naming words. Okay, the naming words which cannot be counted, they are called as uncountable naming words. So this side we have got countable naming words and this side we have uncountable naming words. Okay children, so come on, say with me. 1 mango, 2 mangoes, 1 chili, 3 chilies, 1 flower, then 4 flowers, 1 key, 3 keys. Okay, now over here, since we cannot count, so we will say some salt, some sugar, some milk, some water. Okay children, have you all understood this much? What are countable and uncountable naming words? So now let us do the book exercise. Come on, take out your books and open chapter number 6. Page number 29, chapter 6, countable and uncountable naming words. So what are countable naming words, children? The naming words that we can count are called countable naming words. Okay, and what are the examples, children? See, 1 butterfly, 2 butterflies, 1 pot, 3 pots, 1 leaf, 5 leaves, 1 man, 10 men, 1 flower, 6 flowers. So children, these are all countable naming words. Now, what are uncountable naming words? The naming words we cannot count are called uncountable naming words. And the examples are water, salt, sugar, milk, sand. These are the examples of uncountable naming words. Now turn the page, children. Let's do exercise A. Look at the pictures and write the correct number for the naming words that you can count. Write some for the ones you cannot count. Okay, children? So here are some pictures given. We are going to count the numbers of all those naming words which can be counted. Okay? First one, buffaloes. Can we count buffaloes? Come on, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 buffaloes. So children, we counted it. Come on, let us write 6. Next, flower. Children, can you count flower? No, we cannot count flower. So, we are going to write some in front of flower. Some flower. Next, we have milk. Can you count milk, children? No, we cannot count milk. So, we will write some. Some milk. Then, bags. Come on. Can we count? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many bags are there? There are 4 bags. So write 4. Then juice. Can you count juice, children? No, we cannot count juice. So write some juice. Then we have sand. Can you count sand? No. So write some. Some sand. Then over here we have children. Can you count the number of children? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many children are there? 4 children. Now let's do exercise B. Underline all the naming words and write C if it is countable, and you see if it is uncountable. Now let's start with the first one. Please give me some bread. So, children, which is the naming word here? Bread. So underline bread. Now tell me if you can count bread. Children, we can count loaf of bread. We can count piece of bread. Okay? Loaf of bread will become loaves of bread. Then piece of bread will become pieces of bread. But we cannot count bread. So it is uncountable. You write UC in front. Next, is this your football? So, which is the naming word here? Football. Now, can you count the number of footballs? Yes, we can count it. So, write C. Next, my pencils are new and sharp. See, children, can you count pencils? Of course, we can count. So, pencil is a naming word. And can we count pencil? Yes. So, you write C in front. Next, please buy salt today. We don't have any. So, which is the naming word here? Salt. So, what is salt, children? Is it countable or uncountable? Can we count it? No, we cannot count. So, write UC. Then, number 5. How many chairs can you count? What is the naming word here? Chairs. Can we count chairs? Yes. So write C in front. Next, my dresses are pink and blue in color. So, which are the naming words here, children? dresses. Now children, rest of these you please try it on your own, okay, and see if you can do it or not. So, thank you.